2015 Infiniti Q50. Got high flow converters there. Wise into a single, wise back out. And he was complaining it was way too loud for him. So we installed him some Netami's spiral mufflers. Part number NT1017 or 107. There'll be a link in the description for it. And then he's got an ARK rear muffler setup there and there, but it was rattling. We fixed it for him. Right there, and then installed them 2 black 3.5-inch gloss tips to complete the look. Came out really nice, really clean. He drove 4 hours, guys, from San Luis, so we appreciate him coming down. We hooked him up, and sorry, guys, lots of construction, never ends. Tennessee's growing. There's the old tips that were on it right there. We cut them off. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it, and like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Still loud. Because it has high flow cats, that's why. That sounds good though. Here's sound decibels. Right at 120, it was like 130 before. How are you? Beautiful. Here's some decibels. 108. Right at 108. Go ahead and back it out. Go ahead and back it out. What do you guys think of that sound? I like it. That's very nice. Netami Resonators. Let you guys hear it on the inside. They're digging up there, guys. Sorry. Enjoy, guys. Wish her a happy birthday, guys, please.